Get this out.
Hi, big guy. Say, Nana will be discreet. She won't get your butt. So just get your head. Because you're so pretty.
Let's get
handsome.
Your little arm out. Come on. There we go. Lift this up. Oh, there we go.
All right, hold on 1 second. Let's get a shot of that big boy. Oh my goodness. Okay.
All right.
We'll zoom back in.
Let's go.
Say we'll avoid the personal part.
I always have this one ready to go.
Hey, sweetie. Hi.
What'd you leave me?
What's Daddy doing? Nothing?
You peed.
Still nothing. No poopsies. No poopsies yet. He's like, what is that?
Like that?
Sort of.